If you are a small business owner who is looking to utilize the Square platform and you have not gotten around to setting up your Square yet, this video is for you. Here is what is happening for the month of February. As a Square partner, I have helped dozens of businesses get started with Square. And in this month, I am offering completely free Square setups. That is Square Online, that is invoicing, that is the whole caboose, that is helping you get your business up and running and ready for you to go, helping you understand the platform, having your questions answered in a day. You're done, you're started, you're going completely free. Now, you're wondering, what's the catch? There's no catch. There's no question. Square pays me as an affiliate partner when you sign up and use the platform. It is a win-win for me. I am showing them that I can bring people to the platform. As already, I have been doing content with Square and teaching thousands of small business owners how to utilize the platform. And I've been doing services for well over 16 years. But I'm ready to redo my free services this time around. So we will be doing free Square setups for the month of February. And depending on how this goes this month, I may do some free Shopify setups, free Square setups, as I have done before, but I didn't put it out as well as I'm going to do this time. So I will do some wait lists for that one. If I go ahead and do them, I'll make sure to put the wait list in the description of this video. And once I do, then I'll be able to email everybody at that point. So we're going to do that. Now, here's what you will be getting if you are deciding that you want to go ahead and have a free Square setup. So I'm going to read my notes to make sure I got this all the way. First, we're going to completely customize the Square setup tailored to your business. If you are running a coffee shop, a boutique, if you are doing your events, if you're doing a hybrid, we're going to make sure that we have that Square setup for you, your business, and what you need. We're not doing a broad setup. Every business is different. We don't do that here. Every business is different. Okay, we're setting up right. Second, you'll also get your private client portal. That is where you can track everything and communicate directly with me and my team. Third, we'll have an info meeting, which I'll have the dates below, where we're going to have it in a group setting. We do that. Then we'll go through that info meeting and we'll go over kind of how you need to format your information. If you have your food, I want to make sure you have everything you need for your food. If you have your food and beverage, what are your modifiers? What are your items? You need to know what you need to know to make sure that your customers are covered and that you're covered as your business owner. Your service provider, your contracts, making sure that you're covered, that your systems are also covered. So I want to kind of do it in a group setting. So to help in that client portal, you'll be able to go in and submit the information like your photos, your information for your forms with your sheets. You'll be able to put those information in so we can have everything we need in one place. You can make yourself accessible in there. And there's also a video to get around the client portal. And if you have what you need already, if you've just been sitting on it, you start uploading and we can kind of go through what you have. And there's a checklist to tell you what you have and what you will need. And you can also do that before the info session. But based on what we need for your setup, there's a checklist. And once we have everything, we'll get you scheduled on a calendar. At that scheduled date, we'll go ahead, start your setup. At the end of that day, you'll go in, you'll review, you'll sign off, you're done. That is your login. That is your store. That is your Square account is not under our name. It is not ours. We have nothing to do with it. So you are able to go along your way. And then we'll also have the education piece where you'll know how to utilize your store afterwards. Yes, I have great resources on the channel already in regards to some of the aspects of Square, but I also have a Square course that is on Udemy that is used to help educate on the full platform. But then we also have it that's broken down based in the industry that you're in. So if you have a food and beverage, there's going to be a way that you kind of utilize that platform differently. So that is what it's going to be for you. So no guessing, no confusing, a clear roadmap, a clear goal. You're able, a clear in, a clear out. We're ready to go. You're able to get your Square set up and ready to go. You know how to work it. You're able to start taking clients right away. Your email's going out. You're able to start building the business that you need on the platform that is using it. So this normally takes business owners days, weeks, and some years, but we'll be able to knock it out in about a day, sometimes in a couple hours, depending on what you need. You are able to really jump ahead light years with this. And that is really what I hope can happen is this, it helps give people a start in their businesses, their dreams, from very small bakeries at home to vendor shows. I hope to help somebody's dream come alive with just one of these free Square setups. So if this is something that you are looking for, something that you would love to have for your business, just simple help such as this, then you can click the link in the description that will take you to a form that you can go and set to sign up. It's simple information, just your name, email, and then I'll ask you a little bit about your business. That lets us know what industry you're in. If you ever used Square before, kind of give us where you are. That will allow us to get started. I want to help as many people as I can, because we are in a day and age where people just need help. And if I get 15 people, if I get 5 people, if I get 150 people, I want to make sure that I can help whoever I can. So you click the link in the description and sign up through the form for the free Square setup. Again, this is completely free for you. I'm doing this throughout February only so far, and I am only doing about one a day. So I will see based on the amount of people that we get, how far this is going to go, but I'm thinking of only doing it for February. Last time I did it, I only got a handful, so we'll see. But I do not know the next time that I will do this. So links in the description. Let's get this done this month. Don't put this off another month. Don't put it off another year, and let's get started.